everyone, this is Janet Wakeland with Remarkably Created, and I wanted to showcase for you visually a class that I will be offering in March. That class will be featuring the new Irresistible Blooms bundle, folders, papers, all kinds of amazing product. This product was recently released early to demonstrators as part of Stampin' Up's new online exclusives. You can yourself get this product now if you take advantage of our amazing $175 of product for only $99 with free shipping offer. And I can tell you a lot more about that. It does come with the opportunity to save 20% on future orders. So simply comment, tell me more, or message me, email me anytime to learn more about that. The product does go live for the public on March 1st, and I will be collecting pre-orders for that 7 days ahead of that time. So let's take a quick up close and personal look at the products, and then I'm going to showcase some samples for you and tell you a little bit more about the 4 options for participating in the class, because there will be 4 ways. So the bundle includes the Irresistible Blooms. Look at these fonts. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful stamps. I love this here to create some speckles on the background. There's a collection of 3 folders, and they're sold as a set of 3. So you've got these embossing basics, and look how beautiful they are when they're used. I put them on foil to make them pop for you. You have some coordinating dies, and I've had so much fun with these dies. So you have a piece here, they kind of like a vine. It could also be like, you know, bubble stream, all kinds of different things like that depending on your imagination. You've got a wreath. Then we've got dies that will cut the flowers, will cut the leaves. Oops, the leaves. And then you have some bonus leaves, and you'll see those used on some of the samples, so you'll be able to have some fun with those. And actually this little one is going to cut this little piece here. And then what's really fun is you're going to see here in just a moment that these dies actually also cut the paper. And the paper was just done magnificently. I had a hard time like not playing all night with these. It's the first time I've wanted to stay up all night in my studio in a very long time. So the paper has a look of what's called emboss resist. It is not raised, but it has that look. So you've got the beautiful florals. You've got that kind of washed look as well on the papers. Look at the colors in it. Beautiful colors. Here's an example of cutting the flowers. And what I love is the artisan who designed this paper actually left a little bit of space so the leaves and the images don't overlap each other. So you're actually going to be able to get a lot of images with the dies out of the papers. And there are 2 different sheets. So we have this one. I'll set that aside in a second, and I'll show you the other one here in just a minute. And then the same thing with the leaves. They went ahead and we can get tons of leaves out of here with the dies. Because again, they left space around them so that you can easily get in there with your dies and cut lots and lots of leaves out. So lots of possibilities. And then there is another sheet of leaves as well, so we'll leave that out. Look at this. Isn't this just gorgeous? I mean, look how pretty. Oh, my mind was just racing with ideas. Look how soft. And again, softness. Isn't that gorgeous? Looks like just a fairy tale garden. Here's that other sheet of flowers that you're going to be able to cut. So you're going to have 8 6x6 sheets. Think of how many cards you'll be able to make just die cutting flowers. Isn't that fun? So that's the other one there. Look, sunset, nighttime, little twinkle bugs. And then there's the other sheet of leaves. So again, lots and lots of leaves to mix and match with the flowers that you're going to be able to die cut. And then when we flip it over, the other sides are just yummy. I mean, just look at this. Soft backgrounds that you're going to be able to do lots of beautiful things with. So just having some fun with all of those backgrounds. Then also available is this beautiful metallic paper. And you've got copper, silver, and gold. The gold is on a vanilla background, and then the copper and the silver are on white. So you've got that foiling here on the papers. And of course, you can always alter them with sponges, with spritzing ink over them, adding, coloring with blends and markers. There's all kinds of fun ways to alter beautiful metallic papers like that. So let me show you a few samples, get you creative ideas rolling. So just kind of show you some fun that we've had here in the studio with them. Look at that. And let me go back and hold these up for you so you can see them a little better. Just let the paper speak for itself. Some of this paper doesn't need a whole lot done to it, just a little greeting and you're good. Same thing here. And then we have these dots as well. And these are loose, they are not self-adhesive. And I'm actually deciding that I really like the idea of them being loose. As much as self-adhesive have always been some of my favorite words in relation to embellishments, I've decided that having loose gems are amazing. Much easier to use them with shaker cards. So you have that versatility of simply adding them on with a little liquid glue, but then also using them in other ways, such as shaker cards and things like that. So you've got these beautiful loose gems as well, and they will be part of the class. So look how pretty. The colors just kind of bring out the creativity. You've got that little piece here, sending warm rays your way, and the paper just kind of inspires you. Just let the paper speak to you. Thank you. Look at the soft dots. Looks like it would just be a soft blanket. How pretty. Hooray, it's your day. These flowers are stamped. These ones are stamped. And then these are cut from the paper. So you have that option of stamping or cutting. Here we brought in our sweet lightning bugs. Follow your dreams. Look at that paper. Just so pretty behind that. Pairing it with other stuff. This works great with other stuff. I mentioned using these as shakers. There's that other folder. We've got a slimline card. Again, just letting that paper speak. That paper is just so pretty. And then paired it with a little bit up here. And then the meadow dies are perfect pairing. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This one here, we used our blending brushes and added just a little bit of soft color. And then, I mean, the possibilities are endless with this, guys. You're going to have so much fun. Here's another one. You really want the paper, trust me. And then we've got our sweet turtles. So the paper really talks. So the class is going to be offered 4 ways. The class is going to be free for my teammates. The class will include video tutorials for 12 projects. It will include PDF tutorials for those 12 projects. It will include a photo album of lots of bonus ideas for you. It will include some tips and tricks for using the products, for different tools, and of course it will pair some with the other products outside of the bundles and things like that. So the class is free for my teammates. It is free for those of you that will purchase the bundle of products ahead of time. The class will be available just as a class only, where you can come in and just simply see the videos and see the tutorials, download them, use them, and it will be available unlimited on Facebook, so accessing it on your time, anytime or where. And then there will also be a make and take packet. And for those of you that want a make and take packet, the make and take packet is going to include a half a pack of this paper, 3 yards of ribbon, 3 yards of twine. You're going to have cardstock and envelopes to make 6 cards. You're going to have an assortment of the metallic papers. You're going to have a pack of die cuts. You're going to have a sampling of the dots. So you're going to get lots of product that you can come in and actually make many of the projects that you will see in the class. This is a sampling of what you can expect in the class. Some of these projects will be made, but I will also have new unseen projects for you in the class. So make sure that you are on my mailing list. Message me or simply email me, janet@remarkablycreated.com. I'll put all those links up in the description of this video, but you're definitely going to want to enjoy this class, whether, again, it's free, whether it's with the Make and Take packet, whether it's just simply enjoying the class itself without a purchase of the products. So trying to give everybody options that meet their crafting needs. And again, this product is also available now in our best deal ever. And that best deal of $175 of product for $99 with free shipping ends on February 28th. So questions about that deal, also make sure you ask me about it. And I'll link that deal as well up in the description of the video. So lots of good stuff coming, guys. And this is just the tip of the iceberg of the new releases that will debut on March 1st. So I can't wait to see what else is coming in the online exclusives. Thanks, guys.